Magandang hapon na po or tanghali sa kanilang lahat. So we would like to say welcome to all the newcomers this day. So ayan everyone guys, yung nandito po sa mga nasa harap, bandang gitna, tingin po tayo sa likod and let us all say, hi guys! Let's give our hand, of course, about the skin and pigments. Ayan ako, isa po talaga siya sa gusto-gusto kasi paggagandahin po niya ako. Yan po ang pangako niya sa akin. Magiging kamukha ko si Kim Domingo sa susunod na Youth na Expo. So our topic for today is about skin and pigments. This is a must guide for PMU artists.
Isa akong dakilang mentor ng mga nakikilala nyong mga PMU artists and masters ngayon na magagaling and very successful na.
In behalf of MYA, we'd really like to thank you for coming today and joining us.
I believe that everyone know of the AutoSculpt micropigmentation machine, right? This is the one of the biggest solution for the scalp, the SMP people, right? So we prepare some kind of a simple machine to everyone who interesting about the scalp SMP machine. How do it work? So we have MI International, how we been doing so far. The more class, more seminar, more information we provided. So it doesn't matter if the Korea, Philippines. We invited a lot of the masters from Philippines. So whenever we posting and we release the information, come to us. It's free to join with us. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. Salamat po.
I hope marami kayong natutunan doon sa aking short lecture about skin and pigments. But if you like to learn more, you want to know more about the corrections, everything about skin and pigments, everything about permanent makeup, please like and follow the IICAC. It's International Institute of Cosmetic Artistry. Most of our courses are for PMU, skincare, lashes, lahat ng mga courses na gusto ninyo, makikita ninyo. Thank you so much and have a nice day.